Hello, back at the desk. This is the MGC 5x5. It's amazing. We're not talking about that. I did a DailyPuzzles order. One of them was this MGC 5x5. It's delicious. But that's not what we're talking about today. I also bought these two QiYi cuboids. Now I do like myself my cuboids. I've got a 3x3x5 and nothing else. But cuboids are cool. You can't just say they're not cool. So we've got a 2x3x3 and we've got a 2x2x3. But since Billy is the best person on the planet, bless his soul, he got me a 1x2x3 as well, and even a little Warrior W that is like really fast and surprisingly good. But bless his soul that he got me. He gave me an extra little cuboid to complete the collection. Good on you, Billy. So let's start with the smaller one and the free one. A little bit of plastic there. That'll go to Coles for recycling. Feeling very stable, which is not something I've experienced with something won by anything. It's also tiled. It looks stickered. I thought this was stickered. It's actually tiled, which I don't think QiYi have any tiled puzzles other than this, so that's very cool. I've done a little bit of floppy cube in my time, so I'm pretty sure that I can solve this quite easily. So this is something like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Interesting little simple puzzle. Something to give someone who doesn't know how to solve anything and wants something they can fiddle around with and accidentally solve and go, ooh, how did I do that? So you can go, haha, if you figured out how to do that, maybe you should try something bigger. Yeah. Something like a bit like a Pyramix Duo. Sorry if my autofocus is making you sick. It's making me sick too. Let's move on to the 2x2x3. They're well packed. Oh, I've torn that. There we go. Got a pamphlet. What's this actually say? It's gonna tell me how to solve it? Yeah. Right, I think I've got a method for solving this because I've recently figured some stuff out. So it's got the same matte finish as the Warrior W, the same nice bright stickerless shades with the slightly pink red and the really bright everything. A little bit scratchy on the slice layer. Top and bottom feels a bit like the MS 2x2. It's very smooth. Alright, let's try doing this. So I think white goes on top. So let's build this block and do that. Got a J on bottom, so I can do and then fix the E/. So this is actually really good for figuring out square one CO and CP algorithms because you can do a lot of square one type stuff. So say we've got NJ, I can just do the square one algorithm. And we have to do the E/slice flip just like on square one. That's actually really good. I'm a fan of that. That's a fun puzzle. 2x3x3. Now this is, yeah, I don't need a pamphlet to tell me how to solve it. I can figure it out. turns very similar to the 2x2x3. Reverse corner cutting needs some work. So, I guess I'll start with block building. I don't really know how to solve a domino. Probably should, I do fewest moves. I'll go with... can I solve that corner? Yes, so we've got a bit of a Petrus block, I guess. Can I block build this layer as well? Yes, I can. What have we got? F-perm. Okay. I'm not quite sure how you do that. We'd have to do an F move because that's kind of how corner permutation works. And I guess we'll solve that, and then I'm pretty sure, yeah, okay, so we've got blocks here, so that'll solve CP, and then what if we were to do CP last? Or if we could just use this as like a keyhole to move stuff around, I don't know. Oh, this is actually changing stuff. Oh wow, okay. Right. I do not know how to solve a domino cube. Oh, this is, oh, parity. Okay. Oh no, never mind. This is just this. Never mind. You just use this opposite swap. Okay. Fun fact. Square one z-perm is where's my square one? M2 U M2 U prime M2. So I'm pretty sure we can do the same thing here. Not quite, but we can do this to solve that sense, or not. Okay, there we go. I think a better way to do this is just R2, U2, R2, U2, R2, and then like setting up to that. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, a few very interesting puzzles. Again, thank you very much, Billy, for the extra cuboid. Very much appreciated. Also, the MGC 5x5 is very good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.